Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the touchpad not working on your ASUS laptop, and also how to bring back the missing cursor. So right now, if I try to use the touchpad on my laptop, nothing happens. And as you can see, there's no cursor on the screen. If you've already tried restarting your laptop and nothing is working, don't worry, there's a simple fix. To fix this, use your keyboard and press the Windows key to open the Start menu. Now type in touchpad using the keyboard. You should see touchpad settings pop up. Just hit Enter to open it. Once you're in the settings, you'll notice at the top that the touchpad is turned off. That's why it's not working. Now, use the Tab key on your keyboard to navigate through the settings until you highlight the touchpad off toggle. Once the toggle is selected, simply press the spacebar. This will turn the touchpad back on. Now, try using your touchpad again, and you should see the cursor moving on the screen. And just like that, your touchpad is working again. It's that easy. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.